To assemble the Moasure stick, first ensure the housing's pointed edge is facing upwards. Using the provided screw knob, attach the foam-lined housing to the extendable pole and tighten it securely. Attach the universal rotating joint to the top of the extendable pole, ensuring the plastic thumb nut is positioned at the top. The universal smartphone holder is expandable to fit different phone sizes. Attach the smartphone holder to the universal joint, tightening it up to the thumb nut. When inserting your device into the Moasure stick's cushioned housing, avoid holding the stick itself to prevent bending and stress on the flexible joint. Instead, turn the stick upside down, hold the housing and ensure the LED is visible when looking from above. Align your Moasure device evenly within the housing during insertion. Next, insert your smartphone into the holder. Loosen the adjuster screw knob on the universal joint by turning it counterclockwise. Pivot and adjust the smartphone holder angle as needed. Then tighten the adjuster screw knob by turning it clockwise to secure the holder. Your Moasure stick is now fully assembled and ready for use. If you need any further assistance or encounter any issues, please reach out to our support team at support@moasure.com.